1.
Open your deco shell. To learn how to make one,
Find that in the description.
warehouse. Object tuning. Change tuning ID. Copy ID. Object definition. In tuning ID, paste. Object tuning. Duplicate a super affordance. Copy tuning ID. Extract its tuning and 2 action tunings. Interaction tuning. Customize tuning ID. Collapse all between super I. From your Pixified keeper,
Find that in the description.
under interaction tuning, copy XML. In Sims 4 Studio, paste. Object tuning. Update super affordance tuning ID.
2.
Interaction tuning. Icon. Copy last digits. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All. Filter. Add to package. Export. Update. And re-import. Hashgen. Hybit. Copy FMV64. Data. In instance, paste. Interaction tuning. In icon, repaste. Locate display name. Hashgen. Copy FMV32. Update display name ID. In string, edit. Copy. In key, paste. Update name.
3.
Action tuning number 1. Update tuning ID. Empty inits. In your Pixified keeper, copy single loot tuning. Update single text the same way we did earlier. To create the loot, open a new Sims 4 Studio. Selective clone. Pick something. Change mesh. If you need a reminder,
Find that in the description.
warehouse. Object definition. Extract tuning. Update object definition with the tuning. In object definition, copy instance decimal. Save. Back on your rabbit hole project, in the definition line, paste. Extract buff type. Buff tuning. Rename ID. Copy name. Copy instance. Sim data. Paste name. Paste instance. Action tuning number 1. Update buff type ID with your buff type ID. Action tuning number 2. Update tuning ID. Empty inits. Copy multi-loot. Paste. Repeat the process we did in action tuning number 1. Interaction tuning. Outcome. Place single loot tuning at the top. Tested outcomes. Place multi-loot tuning. To add more, collapse a U and duplicate it. In tests, add your cooldown buff that we created from single action loot. Locate periodic stat change. To add more stat changes, duplicate stat change. Export tuning. Look up statistic/MO. Highlight one. Look at ID number. Edit last numbers. Repeat till complete. Done. My goodness, that took me a while to learn, but a few minutes to show. Thanks for your patience.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.